So, Zach lit the truck on fire. I was trying to start it and he was spraying some carb cleaner on it.
And apparently we have spark. It kicked over, I saw a little backfire, and then all of a sudden the whole carb burst into flames. So I grabbed the fire extinguisher, which I'm glad we bought the fire extinguisher last week. So the truck's kind of big, and I can't reach from the ground. So I'm like, this is what it's like to be short.
So right now Zach is trying to get to the fuel filter. This is our fuel filter. It's pretty collapsed. So we're gonna start with changing the fuel filter, and hopefully that's the thing.
No, we're just gonna run it without it and see what happens.
So you can't really see anything. And I realize this looks like basically nothing at all. But this is our maiden voyage around the block.
Smells like a mix of like old grease and clutch. So it was definitely burning the clutch really badly. Like the clutch is being soaked in oil for 25 years from probably the rear main seal and the oil pan leaking, and it was just like in first gear lurching and revving up, and we did make it up the hill though, and then we made it back home. Nothing lit on fire, didn't sound too bad. So I guess now that it's all hot, we should probably drain the oil in the engine, change that out, and then start from there, I guess. And pull the transmission this weekend. So the other thing we've got going on is the engine is just full of sludge. You can just put your finger in the valve covers and it just comes out covered in thick, goopy sludge. Oh, that moved the seat. So. It does feel more like clay than oil. It's like a really thick sludge.
Ew.
You can see all the little metal particles from whatever can of like restore product they tried to put in the engine to raise the compression. Or at least I hope that's what it is.
Our fuel gauge is showing empty.
Yeah, it hasn't been working.
That's a bummer.
Yeah.
It's a pretty tight squeeze to get out of the garage here, guys.
So we just died on a hill, so I'm gonna, oh geez, our brakes do not work very well, because we don't have power. So we're gonna roll down the hill, and I guess that's what we'll do, is we'll let the clutch up if we need to stop. We have no power brakes, no anything. This is kind of scary. No power steering.
I'm doing to get out.
Just don't want anybody to come up the road.
You're clear right now.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clutch out and then we can. Nope, we're not rolling slowly. Well, it's good to know. The clutch will stop us. This is terrifying.
Fortunately, we live on a really quiet street.
See if I can at least get in our driveway. Cut the curbs a little bit. Well,
That was fun.
I'm physically exhausted from rolling that back down with no power steering and no power brakes. But so it looks like the power steering pump blew. We've got power steering fluid all over. That's lovely. So I think we were just almost out of gas, and then when we were on the hill, that was too much, and then we were out of gas. So we're good at this. So we're out of the garage, we got more gas in the tank, and we're gonna see if we can go around the block a few times without dying. That's the goal.
So right now we're trying to get home in a hurry. Our oil pressure dropped to low. I don't know that you can even see it right now. It's pretty dark, but we're trying to get home, figure out what's wrong.